Hi guys, this is my first lace front tutorial. Right now I'm just putting on my cap. Just want to show you guys something quick and easy. I'm not going to actually cut the cap and all that. I'm literally just going to put it down like normal. I just wanted this video to be quick and simple since it's my first video and my first time doing a voiceover. Okay. So here again, like I said, I'm just putting down my cap. I just want to make sure that the front of the cap is at least nice and flat and not rolled up. So that's just what I'm trying to do. Once you get your cap on, I'm going to be using Got2b Glued. I'm going to be using the gel and I'm going to be using the spray, okay? When you're putting your wig on, you just want to make sure that you pretty much have it almost where you want it before you start to put any type of glue or adhesive. Just make sure, that it's even, just in case, your part may be off, you're doing a middle part or a side part or whatever. So I'm just getting this wig together. This is an old wig that I had, a cheap wig. I just wanted to kind of bring it back to life, okay? So here, like I said, I'm using the spray and I'm using the Got2b glue gel. I'm using them together just to kind of make the, bond a little bit stronger since I'm not actually using a real lace glue because I don't want it to be on for a long time. Once I spread everything out here, I'm just kind of taking the comb and I'm just kind of pushing the lace into the adhesive. I've got everything laid. So I'm just kind of pushing it in to make it stay. Now everything's all pushed in. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut the few pieces of hair I want for my baby hair. I don't want a lot of baby hair because I don't want it to look too crazy. So just a little bit, okay? So now we got our baby hairs all laid, all nice and together, slicked up. And our next step is we want to make sure they stay. So we're going to tie those puppies down. You can use whatever kind of scarf you want to use, but you just want you just want to make sure everything lays nice and flat, okay? So now here I'm just taking a blow dryer. I'm just adding a little bit of heat to it. To make sure that glue and that adhesive underneath that it dries really, really well, okay? Okay. So I'm pretty much going to keep my scarf on the entire time that I'm styling, just to make sure, like I said, that it gets dry. Here, I'm using a spray. It's like a curling spray. I really like it because it's like a hairspray and a heat protectant together. And I feel like it might have a little bit of spritz in it because it does really good with hold. So I'm going to crimp my hair. I'm going to crimp the entire thing. It's going to take a little second because this wig is 26 inches of hair. So it takes a minute to crimp. But I want to do something fun and playful, and crimps are super, super, super cute. So that's what we're going with. Crimps and baby hairs, okay? Okay. So you just kind of want to do small sections. I'm using a crimper I just recently got. I don't really have the information to it. It works amazing. But if you guys want to know what kind of crimper this is and where I got it, just leave a comment. And I'll find the information and let you know where I got it from. Yep. And if you guys want a tutorial on crimping, I can do that for you too. It is super duper easy, as you can see. It does take a while, but the results are absolutely amazing. So here I'm just going to crimp my left side. I'm going to crimp my right side, and then I'm going to be done. Another cool fact about my crimper is that I can the other side of the crimper is exposed, the iron is exposed. So you'll see me later on this video take it and you'll see me smooth down the top of my hair. It's really good to set the part of like a lace front or a lace closure, because the other side almost kind of works as a flat iron. Okay? Okay, so there I just took my scarf off. You can see my edges are laid. And here you can see me using the back of the crimper, like I was telling you, just to go ahead and just smooth any hairs that are sticking up or anything like that. You just want your lace front to be as flat as possible. Okay? Okay. Well, here we're almost done. I put a little concealer in my part and it looks a little bit messy. So we're just going to take some black eyeshadow from one of my favorite palettes. And I'm just going to go in around that part and I'm just going to clean that part up. Okay? You just want that part to be super, super crisp. Like, you can't have like a messy part, sis. Like, that does not work. Okay? So as you can see, I have some little areas there that I'm just touching up, straightening that part out. And you can pretty much use anything. You can use eyeliner, you can use mascara, you can use eyeshadow, like pretty much anything that matches the color of your hair. Okay? Okay. So you go in, you crispy that up. And once you get that looking like whatever you want, you can, if you want, spray a little bit of hairspray or something over it just to kind of make it stick. It's not necessary, but if you want, you can. But it pretty much like doesn't rub off on anything or anything like that. Okay? Okay. So, now, baby hairs together, part together, crips together. I'm looking good. I'm together. You see, I'm feeling myself. But anyway, okay, let's look at the big reveal. Yes, hunty. Yes, bitch. Yes. Killed it. Killed it. Added me some lashes. Oh my God, y'all. I absolutely love this look. If you guys want to see any more looks, hit me up. Subscribe. I'll be back.